Hi, we'll be solving a sequence problem today. So here are the first 10 terms of a sequence in which each positive integer n appears n times. So the series is 1 repeated once, 2 repeated twice, 3 repeated 3 times, 4 repeated 4 times, and so on. What is the average or the arithmetic mean of the first 55 terms of this sequence? Now the sequence is given by 1 repeated once, 2 repeated 2 times, 3 repeated 3 times, 4 repeated 4 times, and so on. Now if you have to follow this sequence, that means the number 5 will be repeated 5 times and so on. And the number of terms is actually equal to sum of these values, right? So number of terms, if we consider only the numbers 1 and 2, are given by 1 plus 2. If we consider the numbers from 1 to 3, the sum is given by 1 plus 2 plus 3 and so on. That means if we have to find the total terms as 55, then let's say if there are 9 values, then the sum would have been sum of first 9 numbers, which is given by n into n plus 1 by 2. So 9 into 10 by 2, or there would have been 45 terms, but we need 55 terms. That means the series goes till 10. And we'll have the last set of terms as the number 10s repeating, right? So this will go on and 9 will get repeated 9 times and 10 will get repeated 10 times. Now we have to find the average, right? So we need to find the sum of all these terms and divide that by 55 in order to get the average of this term. Now in order to do that, since 1 is repeated 1 time, so sum of all the values which are just 1 will be equal to 1 into 1. 2 repeated 2 times, so 2 into 2, 3 repeated 3 times, so 3 into 3, 4 into 4, and so on, all the way till 10 into 10. So that means this is equal to sum of square of all the numbers starting from 1 going till 10. Now we know that this is actually given by a formula which is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6, where n is equal to 10. So this is equal to 10 into 10 plus 1, which is 11, multiplied by 10 into 2, which is 20 plus 1, which is 21, divided by 6. So this gives us the sum. In order to find the average, we will divide this by 55, right? So if we simplify this, this becomes 7, this becomes 5, and we can cancel 5 and 11 with 55 to get the average as 7. So answer will be option number D. Now, if you want to master the concepts of sequence, do check out the theory video and the playlist provided in the description of this video, where I teach you both the concepts and also tell you how to solve the problems for sequence. Hope you found the video useful and do share your comments on the video. Thank you.